Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on with my Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. This is issue 269. I am absolutely way behind. I've still got another two to open, but I just thought I would pop on and share it with you. So I will just remove the magazine from my packaging and pop that down. What have we got here? So we've got the magazine, obviously, and then we've got a crafter's companion, floral note, one cut die and coordinating sentiment stamps. So this is the little die. And then at the bottom, we've got the stamp set, which says just a note, congratulations, happy birthday, sent with love, and thank you. And it says free coordinating papers and toppers to download. And here we have a few ideas. We've got a happy birthday, just a note, and then when we flip it around to the back, sent with love and happy anniversary. So there are some ideas to create some quick cards using the free papers and toppers. And then I will have a flip through the magazine. So it is the normal step-by-step guides, new releases, techniques and discounts. And also inside, Sarah Davy shares her latest crafting news with us. And on the front, we have the same card that was shown on the little gift packaging. So like normal, I won't show you every page. You can just flip through yours at your leisure. So I'm just going to have a quick little flip through and see what we have in the magazine. I've been really busy, so this is the reason why I am so behind. Oh, now, aren't they so colourful? Totally tropical. So this says, brighten someone's day with one of these fun cards using this issue's SVG cutting files, papers and toppers. So it does say download 30 cutting files and papers, but aren't they beautiful makes? Very colourful. Love those. There's a couple of ideas there on using the gift that we've received with the magazine. So there's a few, 1, 2, 3, 4 pages showing you what you can make with your floral note gift, and these are designed by Maria Jones. There's a page with Stephanie Waitman. It's called Busy as a Bee, and Stephanie is from Highlight Crafts. There we've got a page with Perfect Pandas designed by Tara Cardwell. Aren't they really cute? You're a Pandastic Friend is one of the cards. And then we've got a happy belated birthday and a bootiful birthday. Oh, they are fabulous. And I'm just looking to see, she's used a lawn fawn, heart, panda stamp and die set. Aren't they gorgeous? So there is my little quick flick through the magazine. Just before I pop off, there is another design, sent with love, using the floral note die and stamp set. Yeah, is that the one I said earlier? I can't remember, probably is. Yeah, so there you go. That is the flip through the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine issue 269. Okay, so now I'm going to make a little card using the stamp set and the little die. So I've taken a 5x7 blank card and I've popped a black piece of card over the top, and then I've cut out 2 floral pieces using the little die, and I'm just going to pop this onto my card. So I'm going to grab my glue and get this stuck down. So I've just been using my fine tip glue applicator. Pop some glue on, as this is a very intricate little die, and I'm going to pop that just see up there on there. And I've taken the little sentiment stamps and I've chosen Sent with Love, and I'm just going to bring my card back in and I'm going to stick that just into the center. Then I'm taking the second little floral die cut and I am popping that just on the bottom like so. It's just a nice, clean and simple card. And then I've just taken my little fine tip applicator and I'm going to pop my little pearls, one in that corner and the other one over there like so. I'll just pop that back into there. So there you go, there is my clean and simple black and white card using the Little Gift Floral Note stamp and die from Crafter's Companion, and that was out of the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine issue 269. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free to do so and I would be ever so grateful if you do this. And yeah, thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon and bye bye for now.